So you're hanging grass cloth, and you're doing great, and you're following all the rules. You're not getting glue on the grass cloth, and then you do. You did all that you could do. You followed all the precautions, and then for 1 second or less, the paper comes down and hits your glue. You try to clean it, and you make it worse. Don't panic. Here's what I want you to do. Cut out the problem. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. It's a pain, but you can do it. I'm not a drinker by any stretch, but after this, I think I'm gonna have a drink. Constantly washing off your fingers, then drying them. The reason I want you to do this is because this stuff is not cheap. And it's amenable to this type of manipulation. You can do it. But if you're hanging grass cloth with seashells in it, which is on one of my videos. If you if you YouTube my video with seashells, grass cloth with seashells, you wouldn't be able to do that with this. Do this with that, I mean. Okay. Real quick here. don't do this on a ladder. Take your time, you could get hurt. Okay, folks, let's do this, okay? Using the pattern, make a straight line cut straight down. Somebody called me recently and told me that he loved my videos. And I said, thank you. He said, I want to be like you. I was flattered, to say the least. I don't think I got all of that. Anyway, I said, do you know the Wallpaper hanger's handshake? The secret handshake? He said, no. And I felt bad. I said, I'm only joking. I'm only kidding. He got a big kick out of it. Lots of cleanup here. And I'm going to show you how to clean your woodwork off after you install Grasscloth. Because you cannot do it the regular way. I share this with you so that you enjoy learning what I've learned. And I enjoy learning what everybody else has learned and who shares it with me on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of Bob Ross lately. He was the painter from, I guess, the 80s or 70s. And kind of enjoying. Okay, the last piece, folks, this is what I want you to do. Quick. Don't dilly-dally. The wall covering, the glue will fall onto the wallpaper. Listen, you can do this. I know it looks scary and all of that because it's expensive stuff. But hey, somebody's got to do it. Oh, man. Oh. So tell me, what's your favorite drink? What kind of drink would you have after this? Leave it in the comments section. You know what my favorite drink is? A Corona with lime. That's it. Just one with a nice hamburger. Always dry. Folks, If you're ever gonna go slow on wallpaper, let it be when you're doing grass cloth. We're gonna put a happy little tree right here. I like Bob Ross, he says, I don't know, maybe a little rock lives here. Okay, let's show them. Let's show them how we did in order to salvage our very expensive wall covering. What do you think? Come in close. This is how I want you to clean off. This is how I want you to clean off your, come in close. Please. Pull it off. Don't try to wipe that stuff off. Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull it off. Okay, folks, now enough the woodwork. And that's really it, you know. That's how you do it. Always have a nice clean rag around. Let's just show you something else. Here's what I'd like you to do when you're cleaning your borders. Alright? Plastic, it doesn't rust, so it's a good tool to use it with. You just take this like this, look. And you can see what the plastic is doing. I don't have to explain it. Glue is very caustic to paint. And so you gotta make sure you keep it off paint, right? One more time. What about these strings? Look at this bamboo coming off of your grass, right? Well, folks, if you keep pulling on stuff like that, if you get that up in the body of the wall covering, sometimes, once in a while, these cross patterns that come loose, you don't pull that off in the middle. You leave it on there, take a little hairspray on a Q-tip, and literally like weld it together. That's what I think of it as. This is okay at a border, at the bottom, no problem. But you don't do that at the top, obviously. What I mean is in the body of it. I mean, look at that beautiful stuff. Nice and easy. And there you have it. That's how you save your grass cloth when you mess up. Don't tell anybody. See you on the next one.